Ndewono. Oh no. 3-leaf yam. Oh no. This particular kind of yam has two types. There's this red one. This is how it looks like, the red kind of oh no 3-leaf yam. The inside is white. It's always white. What only differs it from the others is the body, the outside of it, which looks red, while the other type of it is the white one. The red one is usually red out on the outside, white in the inside, while this is the white one. We refer to it as white one. The outside of it look kind of brownish like this, as it is in the video, while the inside, the yam itself, is white. What only differentiates these two yams from each other is the color of their body, just their colors. We usually prepare this kind of yam with scent leaf, nchuanwu, and we use pepper also with salt, and you can also add a little tomatoes to it, that if you actually want to improve the taste. We'll mix everything together, and before you start eating your ono, we don't eat the back. You peel the back this way and it's ready to be eaten. So to prepare the sauce, we use red oil, scent leaf, and nchuanwu, pepper, and a pinch of salt together with it. You mix it together in a bowl and start peeling the back of your ono with knife. It's preferable with knife because it's going to come out cleaner than when you use your fingers to clean it. So you can also use fork or spoon or knife. Then you can now cut it to desired shapes as you want before you start eating it. So ono, not all Igbos eat 3-leaf yam. This regards tradition. So what you need to know is, you will know that what you read is going to be ready when the skin peels off and breaks by itself. You don't add salt when eating it. You add enough of water to the pot when it's being cooked on the fire. Your scent leaf should have already been sliced and pounded. Then add it to the red oil with the salt. You can also eat it with just red oil and salt. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Email.